Okay, I think in our last video we were talking about goal setting and how to hit your goal and all that kind of stuff. But let's talk about how fearless agents do it. Okay, my fearless agent coaching students do this goal setting thing the same way. You know, everybody sets goals. Successful people set goals. Unsuccessful people set goals. The difference between the successful people and the unsuccessful people is the successful people change their activities to meet the goals they set. Unsuccessful people change their goals to meet the activities that they were unwilling to change. So we have to fix that for every fearless agent coaching student. So let's just take, I wrote down here, I have an actual 3x5 card here. This is real. $400,000. Let's pretend that your average sales price is $400,000. Now, if you don't know if you're brand new in real estate and you don't know what your average sales price is probably going to be, go to the nice side of town, 1960s neighborhood, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 1,500 square feet on a 7,500 square foot lot in a decent average condition. Whatever that would cost in your town, that's probably going to be your average sales price, and I'm right about that. So let's pretend it's $400,000 just to pick a round number. If you're a fearless agent, you're going to get that listing at 7%. Not because you have to, because you can charge whatever you want, but because you can. Even though none of the other agents in your market can, even though none of the other agents in your own company can, we at Fearless Agent, we can always do that, okay? So if you do that, then your gross close commission would be about $16,000. About half of that is going to get eaten up by the gas in your car. These days, by the way, the gas is pretty expensive. Like the Blue Book value of my car is twice as high if I have a full tank of gas. That's beside the point. Don't worry about that. But if half of that is going to get eaten up by expenses, so it's going to be about $8,000 net taxable income, like it's a salary job with a company car. Okay, so if you do 40 of those over the next 12 months, and if you're already doing 40, we'll raise that goal maybe. But if you're brand new in real estate, that's the goal I would give you. Then you're going to make $320,000 gross net taxable income, $640 gross close commissions, and you're going to have an assistant, of course, to do that at some point. But that's going to be your goal, monetary. Again, like in the last video, I think we talked about how to do that. You're going to schedule 5 listing appointments a week. If 2 of them cancel, which would be normal, and you go on 3 and you only get 1, you would hit that goal. That's how goal setting works in Fearless Agent. If any of this stuff makes sense to you, go to fearlessagent.com. See if Fearless Agent coaching might be a good fit for you. The best way to see would be take our free webinar, watch that. Go to fearlessagentpodcast.com, listen to a couple of our podcasts, and then watch all the free videos on my website. If you're a real estate company owner and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, we can help you with that too. Go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com and watch that video. After you're done, give me a call. We'll have a complimentary coaching call with you. Let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.